My name is Rajeshan. I have MSc Mathematics qualification, and my subject is mathematics. I deal. I can deal the subjects mathematics for intermediate students. That means 10 plus 2 so standard students for all syllabus, CBSE, ICSE, and IB state syllabus. Now I am starting integration from second year mathematics subject. That is integration. I give the definition of integration. So the inverse process of differentiation is called integration. So it is denoted by the inverse process of differentiation is called integration. Is denoted by the symbol so mathematically it is denoted by integral of any function with respect to dx, then that is equals f of capital F of x plus c. So this is called integral. So this is the integration symbol, and this is called integrand. And this is integral or primitive or antiderivative. So it is integrate the function with respect to x. This is process. This is the process of integration. This process is called integration, and this is called integral. So we have some formula from this definition. So the inverse process of differentiation is called integration. That's why we can get the formula from differentiation, the reverse formula, the reverse method of differentiation. So here x to the power of integral of x to the power of n dx is equals x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the constant. So this is for all in values except n is equals minus 1. So this is the formula, first formula, and second formula we have functions, three types. First, algebraic functions, logarithm and exponential, and trigonometric functions. So for algebraic function, this is the formula, and e power x dx is equals e power x plus c, and third one 1 by x dx is equals log x plus c, and fourth one is a power x dx is equals a power x by log a plus c, and these are the algebraic functions and logarithm functions. And for the trigonometric functions, fifth one, integral of sin x is equals minus cos x plus c. Sixth one, cos x is equals integral of cos x dx is equals sin x plus c. Seventh one, secant square, integral of secant square x is equals tan x plus c. Eighth one, integral of cos square x dx is equals minus cot x plus c. And ninth one, integral of sec x tan x dx is equals sec x plus c. Tenth one, integral of cosec x cot x dx is equals minus cosec x plus c. These are the simple integral function of a simple trigonometric functions.